All right, in this presentation, we're going to show you how to get started very quickly with MRI Simmons, and I'll include a URL to how to get to this database. It's in the description of the video. So we're on the main page. First thing we're going to do is click on Dictionary, right here, slightly to the right screen. And you will get used to this over time, but columns are generally going to be the population you're interested in, male, female, people with children, things like that. Rows are going to be the product. That's the easiest way to do it. The base is the overall American population. So let's go ahead and let's just type in male. So I want to show you something about who consumes a particular product. And if we're going to put in male, we're going to put this over in the columns. So we drag that over to columns here. And for the product, we're going to look up energy drinks, do keyword search for that. And these will be the different brands. Let's do the brands of energy drinks. I see Monster down there. And we're going to put that under rows. Let's go ahead and hit that arrow and we're going to get a sample result list. All right, this is what you're looking at here. Now the total, where it says total, that's America in total. Under gender, male, that is male consumption of Monster energy drinks. And what you're looking for here is the vertical and horizontal. That's the quickest way to get started. The sample and weighted, these are the numbers of the people in the survey. But vertical and horizontal, interesting. The way to think of this is vertical is if you went up to a random male and say, hey, do you use Monster energy drinks? 9.3% are going to say yes. If you went into a room where it was all kinds of different life forms, men, women, and says, who here drinks Monster energy drinks? 67% are going to be men. So that's good information. Of course, you can search many other things. You know, people with children, veterans, whatever you want to do. You'll get used to the different data in this thing, okay? But that is the mysterious vertical and horizontal list there. It's really good to get a sense of who uses your product. You don't want to be marketing to the wrong crowd. Okay, so that's it.